Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have an M340i xDrive Saloon finished in Mineral Grey Metallic. It has 19-inch M double spoke alloy wheels with M Sport brakes and high gloss red brake calipers, enhancing the M Sport look and feel. In the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from high UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. Wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. It has the M adaptive suspension that can be controlled via the driving mode control buttons. It offers a comfortable yet sporty suspension setup. It has a reverse camera assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has a top speed of 155 mph and it can get from 0 to 62 in 4.4 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has a black with grey contrast stitching Vernasca leather upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this M340i xDrive Saloon, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.